Go.
Okay, this is warm up for before your intervals. You can do these warm ups, these stretches and drills. Okay, so this is Dana, our athlete. Hello. She's gonna demonstrate it for us. So yun, yung unang gagawin is hamstring swings. So gagawin mo is first, you need to dorsiflex yung paa mo while reaching. So Dana is gonna show it there. So you can do this from 10 to 16 reps depending on your need. So minsan you have tight hips, you can do this. So Dana, please. So me and Dana is gonna do it. So you need to reach for those hamstrings and watch and you observe nyo yung stretch dito sa hamstring and dito sa calf. So you can, as I said, 10 to 16 reps. Walk back, going there, tapos do 12 ulit. So parang warm up na din siya. Right, so go. 1, 2. So first pala, what Dana is doing is diretso lang. So first is 1, then walk. 2, then walk again, alternate. 3, 4, 5, 6. So para ma-remember nyo yung pagkakaayos nitong stretches, just remember the stretch is going up. So yung una natin is hamstring and calf. So next is this part, which is the quads and the hamstrings. So for quads, this is the walking quad stretch. So ayun, gaganto nilang wait, quads muna. So like for quads, just gonna hold and then pull, then sabay nyo yung pag-raise ng toes nyo. So same, this can be done 10 to 16 reps depending on the need. So then walk back. So this is kind of time consuming, so i-adjust nyo na lang sa need nyo on how you want to do it. Pero as much as possible, please don't rush this step. For the next stretch, diba dito na tayo sa quads, so sa likod naman, which is hamstring. Pero ginawa na natin yung una, pero this is another variety. So this is called hamstring kicks ba yan? I don't know. Hamstring, I don't know, basta yun. 1, 2, 3, so just reach. So make sure na straight lang yung legs nyo, hindi siya dapat nakabent na ganyan. So make sure na straight. See what Dana does. How many? 6. So another note is dapat pala pag gagawin mo to, huwag mo laksan sa una. So pakiramdaman nyo, then kung naramdaman nyo na si stretch na, yun, unti-unti yung sipain pa ng mas malakas. So since tapos na tayo dito next is yung quads, yung glutes natin. So yun, dun mo lang. So de quattro, then pull your heel up, then mararamdaman yung stretch, then walk. So Dana, go. I no need to raise her up. Like you don't have to over kailangan mag-extend ng back, pero it helps na straight lang din yung back niya. So wag kayo nakaganon, no? Okay. So straight. So yan. So tapos na ulit yung quads, yung glutes. So here, so next is the hip flexors. This is my favorite stretch. This is really good, especially pag you're sitting long. For our office workers. Ayun. So you're just going to lunch. So pagka so yan, and you watch and the stretch. Yeah. So this one has a variety. So pwedeng isang stretch lang. Pero what Dana is doing is one is stretching sa taas sa lats, then to the side, then down. So yun, one up, then the middle, tas down. So you're just gonna step, then up, then to the middle, then down. So yun, yung kailangan mo lang alalahanin is first up, then middle, twist, then down. Kasi yung variety for the hip flexor is yung may kasama siyang what do you call this, like groin stretch. So first, Dana is gonna lunge forward, then it's gonna go back, then forward again, tapos switch. So first forward, then we go to the side, then paharap ulit, then switch. The other leg. So yeah, front, to the side, then switch. Front, to the side, then switch. So make sure na extended yung back niyo, hindi nakakuba. So yun, you'd be feeling much better pag nagawa to lahat. So ayun, tapos na tayo all to the lower body. So now is time for the drills. So ayun, yung first kong make sure pag nagdi-drills, yun nawo-work natin lahat ng parts ng lower leg. So at first, we're going to do laterals lang. So hindi to yung parang basketball na laterals sa mabilis. Just make sure na pagka magla-laterals ka, ginagamit mo yung groin, yung adductor muscles to kick you off to the side. So Dana, just count. So for this, ginagawa namin is pagka-count lang ng 20 na kicks. So 1, 2, hanggang mga 20. So pag naka 20 na siya, magsi-switch siya. So we're gonna 6, 7. Make sure na ginagamit niyo yung kick muscle niyo, which is yung adductor here, to kick you off to the side. So we're gonna do this for 2 sets. And then watch Dana do it again. Go, Dana. 1. So swing your arms too para ma-warm up din. So yun. So natapos na ni Dana yung isang side to sides, yung lateral jogs natin. So next is yung carioca. So for karaoke, you have to maintain na yung hips mo yung gumagalaw this time. So kailangan ganun, no? You have to put stress sa pag-twist ng hips mo. So yan, ganyan din 20 rin. So this is 1 2 3, go. 1 2. So twist mo, make an exaggeration yan. So like diba? Go back. So this one, so mas napupunta ng stress yung other leg. So yun, 2 sets ulit. So Dana would rest for a while, then she's gonna do it again. So hindi kailangan madaliin to. So just take your time, hindi siya strenuous, dapat tama yung execution. So ready when you are? I'm ready when you are. Sorry, I have a phone here. Kaya, medyo awkward. So yun, for a moment, Dana would rest. So the point of these drills is, of course, to train every and warm up and activate every part of our body. So, kasi pag tumatakbo tayo, like forward lang tayo, di ba? So, may mga naiiwan na muscles na hindi natitrain. So, mas okay na natitrain lahat para magkaroon ng stability. So, walang naiiwan na weak muscle. So, after nun is magba-backward jog siya. So, for backward run, you need to make a stress na sisipain mo. Gagamitin mo yung front of your muscle, not your hamstring. So, for me to demonstrate it, so I apologize for the awkward form kasi I have a phone. Lalagyan ko ng stress yung quads and yan. So, kailangan ko lagyan ng stress yung pag ganun ko. So it will warm up din yung glutes natin. Go! Today na. Yan, kick off pa. Ayan, no, you're doing it on the right, on your left leg. Yung ano mo lang yung kick off, yung left leg mo lang. So yan, so with this, kailangan nyo i-secure yung tatakbuhan nyo para hindi ka lang nakaganon, no? So first, make sure na clear yung path. Put some stress on your right. So yun, as you can see, Dana has parang may imbalance siya sa takbo niya. Yung nakikita natin is yung left, yung mas nagki-kick. So, and makikita yung imbalances sa mga ganyan na instances. So that's why we're doing the drills, para makita yung mga ganun na cases and ma-address natin. First, A-skip na, favorite. So A-skips, so very simple workout. So para ma-start nyo, for you to get comfortable with these skips, just remember na itataas nyo lang yung leg nyo. So first, start off with this. Doon, no, sumasabay yung shoulder ko, di ba? Tapos once you get comfortable, wait, sorry, ito na naman tayo. Once you get comfortable with your A-skips, dadagdagan mo na ng hop. So hop in place lang. Pero rinig yung rhythm na yun, tak, tuk, tak, tuk, tak. So ayun, so pag nakuha nyo na yun, try nyo na what we call this, like alternate it. So una, practicein nyo yung other leg. So ayun, pag nakuha nyo na, alternate in place. Yeah. Tapos after alternating it, ayun, you can move in place na. So may ano ako, may counting cues ako. So like 1 2 1 2. So like pagka ano, up 1 plus 2. So like 1 2 1 2 1 2. So Dana would demonstrate for us. Yeah. So you need to put some stress. So yun, medyo kailangan, like every one of us, kahit medyo experience na tayo, we still need to practice these drills. So make sure na naka-point up din yung legs, hindi siya nakaganon. So naka-dorsiflex. So second rep, go. Look down. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So that's the A skip. So next is the B skip. So parang same lang din pero it has a kick. So pagka ano mo, taas mo, kick. So like yung kick mo pababa. Yes. So what you're gonna do is same na progression. First you do it na in place. So like Dana, do it in place. So you have to make sure na nagsistretch sa ilalim ng katawan mo. Tapos once you get comfortable or like alam nila, ayun, in place. So okay, tap again. Relax lang. Tapos the next is the C skip. So yung cue ko on my head pag C-skip, para siyang A-skip lang din, pero 1 to the side, to front, front, side, front, front, side, front, front, side, front. So try nyo lang na mag-skip. So paulit ulit the side, same. So wala mo nang alternate, so ganyan muna. Tapos yun, progress from it, then moving front to the side, front, front, side, front, front. So Dana would demonstrate for us. Wait, sabayan ko siya. So yan, parati akong may sinasabi sa utak ko na front, side, front. So 1 2 3, front, side, front, front, side, front, front, side, front, front, front. Ay, last set for Dana. Ayoko na eh. Go. Front, side, front, front, side, front, front, side, front, front, side, front, front, side, front. So yung next is stiff leg. I don't know if I mentioned this, pero from the word itself, stiff leg. So tatakbo ko lang na naka-stiff leg. And I haven't taught this kay Dana. So you need to make sure na you're striking the ground on your foot. So mag-kick off ka talaga. Dapat pagkalandong pa is itutulak mo. So itutulak like what do you call it? Like itatapon ko talaga yung leg ko. So another set for Dana. Doesn't need to make a sound. 1 2 3 go. Yan. Yan. Pero if you're doing this drill, gawin nyo din siya na parang tumatakbo. So what we saw with Dana ngayon is pati yung upper body niya naka-stiff. So make sure na parang naka-running form pa rin.
So
Yeah.
okay.
So di ko magawa yung tamang form kasi have my phone here. Tapos next, anklings. So what anklings is, like you have to practice na mabilis yung parang turnover ng paa pagkalan and tama yung strike. So pag slow motion, parang ganito siya. Nakikita yung paa ko. So yan, parang ang tumatalo hanggat sa magiging mabilis. So yung paa ko, gumagana lang siya ng mabilis. This is the slow mo. Tapos kung kaya mo yung bilisan, tapos yun, try nyo na gumagalaw. So day na yun. Sorry, I haven't practiced it for a while, so it could get better. Then there, yun lang, nag-end na yung, that's where the drills end. So usually this takes around 30 to 40 minutes. So nakakapagod na kung di ka nag-train. It's okay, things would get better with time, just like you. Okay, so after this, Dina's gonna have her workout. Pero before her workout, she's gonna do stride. So pwede pakilagay dun. So yung stride is like around like 50 to 80 meters depending on her fitness, or like kung ano yung naramdaman niya. For as much as possible, like 60 meters. So stride is basically just a chill semi-sprint. Okay, pwede na yun. Ayoko na.